Welcome back to Ride Radar, the place where design, tech, and driving dynamics come together. Today we're diving into a luxury icon that's been completely the 2026 Lexus ES. This new generation doesn't just tweak the familiar, it reinvents the mid-size luxury sedan from the ground up with bold design, modern tech, electrified powertrains, and a fresh vision for what driving should feel like. If you thought the ES was conservative or understated before, it's time for a second look. From the first glance, the 2026 Lexus ES makes its presence known. The redesigned body reflects Lexus's evolved design language with an aerodynamic shape sculpted for elegance and efficiency. The brand has moved away from the signature spindle grille, evolving it into a clean spindle-body front end that flows seamlessly from hood to bumper. The front fascia is assertive, with a wide shark nose stance that gives the car a sense of motion even while standing still. Slim LED headlights with angular signatures add intensity, while vertical air curtains flank the grille for better airflow and visual drama. From the side, the ES stretches into a graceful, fastback silhouette, giving coupe-like elegance without sacrificing rear headroom. A high beltline and short overhangs add a sporty, grounded look, while flush door handles enhance aerodynamic efficiency. A crisp character line carries motion from the front fender to the rear. The tail end finishes strong with a full-width LED taillight bar that stands out especially at night. Hidden exhaust tips support the electrified look across all trims. Even the wheels, available up to 20 inches, bring intricate, balanced designs that nod to both sport and sophistication. Colors like wavelength gray and eminent white pearl highlight the sculpted surfaces, while darker tones like iridium give off confident athleticism. But design isn't just skin deep. The 2026 ES is built on an updated version of the Lexus Gale platform, giving it a lower center of gravity and improved weight distribution. That long hood and planted stance reflect proportions that are engineered, not just aesthetic. Lexus is clearly aiming to merge luxury with a driver's car feel, and it shows. On the innovation front, the ES offers multiple electrified options. The ES 350 hours hybrid. In two fully electric models, the ES 350e and dual-motor AWD-ES 500e, the hybrid blends a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with a hybrid electric system to deliver smooth, responsive driving and strong fuel efficiency. The new electric models push the envelope with up to 300 miles of range, a roughly 75 kWh battery, and fast charging via the NACS port compatible with Tesla's supercharger network. Inside, Lexus gives you a full 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a massive 14-inch infotainment display powered by the new Arene OS. This system offers cloud navigation, OTA updates, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. Arene also includes AI that adapts to your habits, adjusting climate, opening windows for air quality, or rerouting around traffic before you even ask. Safety gets a boost with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Standard features include adaptive cruise, lane centering, emergency steering, and enhanced pedestrian detection. New additions include driver attention monitoring and proactive driving assist for smoother steering and braking at lower speeds. The cabin might be the ES's strongest area. Lexus has created a refined, lounge-like atmosphere with clean horizontal lines, minimalist controls, and upscale materials like real wood, ultrasude, and brushed aluminum. Haptic surfaces replace many traditional buttons, keeping the interface sleek. Front seats offer 14-way adjustment, heating, cooling, and massage. The floating center console hides extra storage, and ambient lighting flows through the cabin with themes that change by drive mode or time of day. In the back, there's limo-worthy space with over 38 inches of legroom and a nearly flat floor on hybrid and EV models. Optional rear climate controls, sunshades, and power reclining seats complete the comfort experience. Acoustic glass, wheel well insulation, and active noise control ensure a near-silent ride. Trunk space is generous, with over 16 cubic feet in hybrids and a hands-free kick sensor for EVs. The trunk is thoughtfully designed for real-world use and customizable with storage solutions. As for performance, the ES lineup offers flexibility. The ES 350 hours makes about 215 horsepower and achieves close to 45 mpg combined. It's smooth, quiet, and responsive. The ES 350e goes fully electric with front-wheel drive, 260 horsepower, and quick torque delivery. The top-spec ES 500 EAWD adds a second motor, 335 horsepower, and a 0 to 60 time under 5.5 seconds. Driving feel has also evolved. Higher trims feature adaptive variable suspension that adjusts in real time. The chassis is stiff, the battery is low-mounted in EVS, and the result is stable, composed handling with a soft premium ride. Steering is light but precise, and road noise is minimal thanks to Lexus's top-tier insulation and sound tuning. The 2026 Lexus's isn't just about luxury, it's about smart luxury. Whether you prioritize style, efficiency, comfort, or cutting-edge tech, this new ES offers something tailored for today's driver. Prices start around $46,000 for the EA's 350 hours and go up to about $62,000 for the fully loaded ES 500 EAWD. It's making it a strong value in the premium segment. That's it for this Ride Radar Deep Dive. 2026 ES shows that Lexus is no longer playing. It's safe, it's bold, electrified, and ready for the future. Be sure to subscribe for more high-spec reviews and insights from behind the wheel.